Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, I'm making some chicken wings today, guys. But what's special about my chicken wings, it's a sweet chili chicken wings, guys. I'm gonna make a sweet chili sauce to go on this. So we're just gonna jump right in, guys, and get all the spices on this chicken wings, and we're gonna bake them in the oven, guys. No fry. You can do fried if you like, but guys, today they're going in the oven. This is washed, guys, and ready to go. I got all my spices right here. I got a tablespoon of wing spice right here, guys. I'm just gonna pour that right on. And I got a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of garlic powder, guys. I got a half a teaspoon of black pepper right here. And guys, I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil over this, just to marinate the chicken wings. Just gonna rub that in. And guys, we're just gonna let this sit in the fridge for about an hour, and then I'll take them out to place them on the pan and get them inside the oven, guys. And guys, I'll show you what's going with these chicken wings today. It's gonna be up, flavor gonna be up again, guys. All right. Okay, guys, it's time to get these chicken wings inside the oven. So guys, I let them sit in the fridge for 1 hour. I'm gonna get them in the oven right now. As I said, there's no breading on these. They're just plain, and we're gonna get our pineapple sweet chili sauce right on these chicken wings as soon as they're done. So right now, guys, we're gonna bring them over and get them inside the oven. Okay guys, so the oven is nice and hot right now. We're gonna get these right inside. I put it up to 380. Guys, we're gonna cook these off and get them out for the sweet chili sauce. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put on my sweet chili here. So it's a pineapple sweet chili, guys. I made this in a previous video. Show you guys that's what's going on the wings right now. Look at all that goodness, guys. Just toss them around, guys, in your bowl. Oh, smells so good right now. And guys, we're just gonna pack them right on a plate right here. Guys, look how beautiful these look. That nice glaze on the wing, guys. You just throw them on, guys. Your guests come over, they'll be loving these. You're having a drink. And the sweet chili got a nice kick to it, guys. The pineapple flavor just stands out. Look, it's so good, guys. Guys, these are simple recipe you can do at home, guys. Looking beautiful. Right, guys, look at that. Then we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit more parsley over this, guys. Guys, look how simple this is. Beautiful sweet chili pineapple sauce, guys. on those wings. Guys, thanks for watching again. Another amazing recipe. Like, share, subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next one.